Ever wondered how to get your funds out of your Beam wallet and into another wallet or exchange? You're not alone. While Beam prioritizes privacy and confidentiality, the process of transferring your balance is actually quite straightforward once you understand the steps. So, let's dive into the practicalities of moving your Beam, ensuring your assets go exactly where you intend them to. First things first, it's important to understand what a transfer means in the context of cryptocurrencies like Beam. Unlike traditional bank transfers, where money physically moves from one account to another, cryptocurrency transfers involve updating ownership records on a blockchain. When you transfer Beam, you're essentially authorizing a transaction that records your Beam being sent from your wallet address to another wallet address on the Beam blockchain. Now, let's talk about the various ways you might want to transfer your Beam balance. Generally, you'll be looking to send Beam to another Beam wallet, or to an exchange where you can trade it for other cryptocurrencies or even fiat currency. The core process remains similar, but there are a few key considerations. The most common method for transferring Beam is directly from your Beam wallet application, whether it's the desktop, mobile, or web version. Inside your wallet, you'll typically find a send or withdraw option. This is your gateway to initiating a transfer. When you select this option, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's Beam address. This is a crucial step. Beam addresses are unique strings of characters, and even a single character can lead to your funds being lost permanently. So, always double-check the address you're sending to. Copy-pasting is highly recommended to avoid manual errors. Some wallets also offer QR code scanning for convenience, which can help minimize mistakes. Next, you'll specify the amount of Beam you wish to send. Be mindful of the transaction fees, which are typically very small on the Beam network. These fees incentivize miners to process your transaction and secure the network. Your wallet will usually display the fee before you confirm the transfer, allowing you to review the total amount. Beam offers different transaction types, such as regular and offline transactions. Regular transactions are faster if the recipient is online, while offline transactions are designed for situations where the recipient might not be immediately available. There are also public offline addresses, which can be useful for accepting donations, though they offer less privacy compared to other Beam transaction types. For most standard transfers, a regular transaction is sufficient. Once you've entered the recipient's address and the amount, and reviewed the transaction details including the fee, you'll confirm the transfer. This usually involves entering your wallet password or confirming via biometric authentication for mobile wallets. After confirmation, your transaction will be broadcast to the Beam network and will await confirmation by miners. The time it takes for a transaction to be confirmed can vary depending on network congestion, but Beam transactions are generally quite fast. If you're transferring Beam to an exchange, the process is largely the same on your Beam wallet's end. However, on the exchange side, you'll need to locate your specific Beam deposit address. Most exchanges provide a clear deposit section where you can select Beam and generate a unique deposit address for your account. Again, copy that address carefully and paste it into your Beam wallet's send field. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency thrives on personal responsibility. Always verify addresses, understand the fees involved, and keep your wallet's seed phrase or private keys secure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.